Okay, so this is my air conditioner at my grandma's house. It's a Coleman, as you can see, because she lives in a trailer house, and that's pretty much what they use in trailer houses is Coleman air conditioners. Cheap, affordable, because they really don't care when they make these things. This right here is the return refrigerant line. Excuse me. This is the cold line. It runs inside to the evaporator. And this right here is the thermostat wire, and then the power. Here's the spec sheet. Model number BRC Q0361BD. It's refrigerant 22. 3-blade fan motor. And this is a little rusty right here, but still works. And all it is a top cover for that motor. It's a little dirty down inside there. Leaves. Over here in that corner, you can see the feet on the compressor. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can kind of see it a little bit. It's a compressor right there. I guess I've done pretty good on my coils because I can see through them. I don't know if you can see through them, but I can see through them. There's a few leaves here and there, but I mean, it's all good. So, let me give you a startup sound. Just a second. It's a little bit noisy, but hey, I mean, it's an air conditioner and it cools, so I mean, can't complain really until it goes out. Everything gets cold as it should. Starts evaporating. Woo, that's already ice cold. Wow. Warm, hot now. It's real hot now. The condensation drain line used to be right here, but I guess it got unhooked from the house because I've had it blown out and it still doesn't come out there, so it's not clogged or anything. I know that's what you probably think, that it's clogged, but it's not. So yeah, that's my grandma's Coleman condensing unit. So thanks for watching.